Spence can bring this forward. That's a lovely cross too. And Gabriel was covering very effectively in the middle to just take that one away from Solanke. Pedro Porro to deliver. Kulusevski with a chance. Big save by David Raya. The ball is whipped in again and Gabriel gets there. It's Heung-min Son on the volley. And Spurs land a sucker punch. Tottenham leads. Rice drives it in. This one's more difficult to deal with. And it's Gabriel again. He scored down the road. And he's netted on home turf too. Spence. Basuma caught in possession. Odegaard picks out Trossard on the run. Who's able to get to the box. Leandro Trossard! Ever the man for the big moments. The Emirates is sparked back into life. And Arsenal, for the first time this evening, take the lead. It's towards Gabriel once more, and it is glanced just wide. It's worked out to Pedro Porro. That was incredibly close for the visiting side. Kulusevski allowed to bring it down. Arsenal just need to get rid of it. North London remains red. Arsenal win their third consecutive top flight North London derby. Full time here at Emirates Stadium is Arsenal 2, Tottenham 1.